Oh, you're looking at a real nice 2000 Ford Ranger four-wheel drive pickup truck. Has a good looking cap on the back. It's a Lear that opens up. We don't have keys to the cap, but still in nice shape. No big deal to change the keys. Very little, if any, rust all around. In very nice shape. Has a 3.0 V6 in it. This Ranger was previously owned by as a government vehicle. We've had great luck with these vehicles because they maintain them really well. Radio works. Turn that off. Got nice cold air. The four-wheel drive works fine. Has a little over 121, which is really nothing for a vehicle that's well maintained. It's tight on the road and drives great. Take her out on the road real quick. Shifts gears fine, plenty of power, doesn't smoke or have any exhaust noise or any of that. No check engine light or any of those things. Just a nice running truck. It was in service right up till we got it. Got good looking tires all the way around. Drives great. Air is nice and cold and it's a comfortable seat. The smaller pickups are really popular lately with the gas mileage. Now you can either take that cap off and use it the way it is. It does have a liner inside of the pickup body, or keep the cap on if you want it. Either way. But if you're looking for a nice pickup, I'm sure this one's going to go fast. So hard to find in this condition, clean and good running like this. Give us a call and come up, take a look at it, and take it home with you. Buy this Ford Ranger.